Hi, and welcome to Know Your Rights. I'm Chris Fisher. This video is part of a personal injury series in association with Curry Law Group. Today we're going to focus on basically your case is going to break one of two ways, claims or litigation. And from Curry Law Group to teach us more is Dan King. How are you, sir?
I'm fine, thank you, Chris.
Thank you for being here. So let's start right there. What is a claim versus litigation?
Well, a personal injury case, it goes through different formations. It starts out as a claims. And what do we mean by claims is initially, once a person is injured, we deal with the insurance company in an effort to resolve it. And again, we're looking to maximize the recovery for the client and get what's a fair resolution for the client and make the client satisfied and happy. Sometimes it doesn't work out that way, and we have to take it beyond the claim step into the litigation phase.
Okay. And how long does the litigation phase last if you have to go that way?
Well, a litigation phase is much more complex than the claim stage. Claim stage may last 3, 6, 9 months. Once you get into litigation, then you get into court schedules, and so that could last months and possibly years because during the litigation phase, we're going to go through the discovery process, which is the exchange of information. We're going to go through depositions, which is an opportunity for your client to give a statement to the other side, to be heard by the other side, and then depositions of other witnesses as well. So the litigation phase can take years.
Oh, all right. So if somebody's watching this video, they're obviously, they've been injured in an accident and they're trying to get more information. What are the chances that the person watching their case is going to settle?
Okay. If you're in the claims process, most cases actually do settle during that process.
Okay.
Now, obviously, I'm overseeing the claims process, and we want to make sure that at the point that it gets to settlement, that it is a fair and good settlement for you. However, if it doesn't settle during that claims process, then we go into the litigation phase. And again, it's a little more complex. The costs, expenses, everything gets heightened. But again, there's still an opportunity for it to get settled. And in fact, even in the litigation stage, you're most likely to settle your case.
Okay, so you can file a lawsuit, and that's not like going over the edge of a waterfall. You can file a lawsuit and still have a chance of it, the insurance company coming back, okay, we'll settle.
Absolutely,
Okay.
and I explain that to clients because at the end of the day, it's about the clients. It's about their case, it's about their injuries, it's about maximizing their recovery. Sometimes they don't want to spend years going through the litigation process. But we're going to do everything we can to make sure that the client is satisfied and that it's a fair resolution for the client. So ultimately, we'll go through the discovery phase, litigation phase, and do what's best for our client.
And how do you guys at Curry Law Group separate yourselves from the other law firms, especially the ones that spend millions upon millions of dollars on TV advertising and so on?
Right, and very good question. How much you spend in advertising doesn't dictate what kind of lawyer you are or how good a lawyer you are. At Curry Law Group, we pride ourselves on making sure that our clients know their rights. It's very important for us to have a personal touch with the clients. In the personal injury field, I'm the person who you meet with initially. I'm the person who you're going to handle your case all the way through the claims process and through the litigation process. Unlike some of the big firms, you may never even get to see a lawyer.
Okay. Well, if they want to see you directly, how do they get a hold of you?
You can reach me at Curry Law Group, 813-653-2500.
Dan King, it was a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you, Chris.